Okay, the question here says in the xy coordinate plane, the point AB, so this is the first point, and the point a plus k b negative 3 are on the line defined by y equals 2x negative 5. Now you're told to find the value of k. You know, usually I like questions like this because it's just a solve and find. A solve and find question, like just solving something. Anyway, let me just give you an intuition of what's happening here. An intuitive explanation anyway. Now you know that the general format for the equation of a line, the general form is y equals mx plus c. So this is the general form for the equation of a line. So where the x here, that is where this m here stands for the slope of the line, this is the slope, and then where c here stands for stands for the y-intercept, or where the c represents the y-intercept. So this is the general form for the equation of a line. Now the equation of the line we are given here is y equals 2x negative 5. So we are given y equals 2x, that is 2x negative 5. So that tells us that the 2 that we are given here must be the slope of the line. Alright, let me now explain something again to you. Whenever you're told to find the slope of a line, now how do you find the slope if you're given 2 points? So this is where the slope is derived from. Now anytime you're given 2 points, say you're given point x1, y1 and x2, y2, and you're told to find the slope of a line that contains these 2 points, then the slope is given by m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. These are the things that you must have gone through in the undergraduate classes. So given 2 points with these coordinates, then the slope is just the first minus the second divided by the coordinates of the abscissa of the 2 coordinates. Right, that's what we know. Now what we're given here is we're given our first point. So this is the first point, this is point 1, and then this is the second point, point 2. So we are told that these points here, they are on the line. So they are on the line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to label this to be my x1. So this is going to be x1, while this is going to be my y1 since it's my first point, and then this is my second point. So I'll call this my x2 and I'll call this my y2. So let's write that out. So my x1 is a, my y1 is b. So from here my x2 is a plus k, while my y2 is b negative 3. So that's my y2. So if you're told to find the slope, so because we are told that the 2 points here, they lie on the line, so that implies that if we're told to find the slope given these 2 points, we must obtain 2. So I'm going to find the slope based on this information here. So the slope based on this, so we're going to bring this down. So the slope is going to be m, which we know, we said it's going to be y2, that is y2, and my y2 is this, that is b negative 3, minus y1, so this is my y1 here, which is b, divided by my x2, is a plus k, minus my x1, is a. Now this is going to be the slope. So, and then we already know, like we found, that the slope here is 2. That is m equals 2. Alright, I'm going to draw this down so we do not run out of space here. So what this implies is that since m is 2, so that implies 2 equals, so we have b negative 3 negative b divided by a plus k negative a. So we observe here is this b crosses this, and then this is a negative a, that crosses out. So what you now have left is 2 equals negative 3 all over k. So to find k, you can cross multiply. So what you'd obtain is going to be 2k equals negative 3. Then you divide both sides by 2. So when you divide both sides by 2, so what you'd obtain is going to be k to be equal to negative 3 all over 2. So this is the value of k, negative 3 all over 2. So, and then that was what the question tells us to find. It says find the value of k. So we found below that the value of k is negative 3 all over 2. So the solution of this problem is option C. Thanks for watching.